In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print envelopes using Microsoft Word, a useful skill that can save you time and add a professional touch to your correspondence. Let's dive right in and get started with these easy steps. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word file. You can do this by finding the Word application on your computer and opening a new or existing document where you'll be working on your envelopes. Having your Word document ready is the starting point for everything we'll do today. Once your document is open, look for the Mailings tab in the menu bar at the top of the screen. This tab houses a lot of tools we can use to handle mailings efficiently. From here, you'll need to click on the Envelopes option. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you'll input the essential details. Here you can enter the delivery address and, if needed, the return address too. There's also an option to omit the return address if you prefer not to include it. With your addresses set, let's move to the next important detail: selecting your envelope options. You can do this by clicking on the Options button in the dialog box that appears. This will open up the Envelope Options dialog box where you can choose the size of your envelope. For this example, we'll use the default size, which is commonly used for standard envelopes. Once you've selected the size, click on OK. At this point, it's also a good idea to review how envelopes should be fed into your printer, ensuring they print correctly. Next, click on Add to Document to integrate the envelope layout into your Word document. A pop-up might appear confirming your choice. Simply click OK to proceed. You should now see your envelope design appear above a blank page in the document, indicating that the envelope is ready to be printed. To finish up, head over to the File tab and click Print. In the Print dialog box, you'll need to specify the number of copies you'd like to print. Once you're ready, click on the Print button. At this point, your printer should begin printing your envelopes, complete with the delivery and return addresses you've input. After your envelopes have printed, you're all set. You've successfully designed and printed an envelope using Microsoft Word from start to finish. This process can save you plenty of time, especially when dealing with bulk mailings or needing a quick, polished postal solution. Keep practicing these steps to make it second nature, and soon you've got a new skill set to rely on. Thanks for watching, and happy mailing.